Heading out of the country and wondering if Verizon's Travel Pass is worth it? Let's break it down in simple terms. Verizon's Travel Pass lets you use your US phone plan while you're traveling internationally. Same data, same talk and text, and just in another country. So, how does it work? You pay a daily fee, currently $5 per day in Mexico and Canada, and $10 per day in over 185 countries. Once activated, you can use your phone just like at home. No roaming charges, no SIM swaps, and no needed harmful Wi-Fi. The best part, you can only get charged on the days you actually use your phone abroad. So if you don't call, text, or use mobile data, you won't get charged that day. But is it worth it? Yes. If you're going on a short trip and a walk, want convenience? Absolutely, it is. It's easy, automatic, and keeps your number and data plan just the same. But if you are staying longer than a week, the daily charges can stack up fast. In that case, consider getting a local SIM card or international eSIM plan for better value. Also, heavy data users should know after a certain amount of high speed usage abroad, Verizon may reduce your speeds. So here's the bottom line: great for short trips, not ideal for long stays, and perfect if you just want a plug and play solution while you travel. One more travel tips that save money and headaches: like, follow, and share from quick guides that keep it simple.